Hi, I'm Chris Hurd, here inside the spectacular booth of Honeywell Intelligrated on the show floor of MODEX 2020 in Atlanta. This booth is filled with some fascinating and very cutting-edge technology, all designed to help you take your system from DC now to DC next. So I'm here now with James Hendrickson of Honeywell Voice. James, what's your business, your role?
Yeah, so I run product and offering management with Honeywell Voice. So that means all aspects of defining the product and bringing it to market.
You can use voice when it comes to things like maintenance.
Absolutely.
How does that work?
Yeah, so we've traditionally done warehouse workflows like picking. So you're directed to do something and you go and do it, and you're driven through that workflow. But we found that we stepped back and went, all right, where else is this a really great fit? And it's any place that you have a checklist application. So we looked around and we saw aerospace and we saw trucks, and certainly in this industry, everybody's got fleets that are delivering things from distribution center to stores. Sure. And those fleets have to have a regular maintenance that's done on it. Sometimes it's daily, and sometimes it's just preventative maintenance. And all of those are checklist driven. So what we found is that if you put voice there, you can capture that data real time. There's no paper, you can't skip steps easily, and it allows those mechanics that are doing that check actually to focus on what they're good at, which is being a mechanic, not filling out forms or typing things into a computer with greasy fingers.
Right.
So really anything with a checklist is a huge win for repeatable tasks, capturing that data with voice.
Hey, James, thank you very much for your
No problem.
time.
Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it.
So be sure and reach out to us with any questions you may have, of course, but if you are ready to take your system from DC now to DC next, pretty clear that Honeywell Intelligrated is the one to get you there. Thanks for joining us.